So this is our F4D Skyray, and we're real happy to have it here. It was actually at another museum up in Connecticut. We discovered by looking at the tail number and comparing it with some photographs that we had in our collection that this airplane actually served on Intrepid in 1961. The airplane was kind of extra to their collection. And that's the New England Air Museum, and they took really good care of it, but they were willing to let it go. So we were able to put it on a barge and bring it down to New York City.
The restoration, it was it was kind of a textbook restoration. There wasn't any very big damage that needed to be repaired. It was essentially a thorough cleaning and preserving of the internal structure of the airplane.
This airplane really fills a void in our collection because we have Avenger from World War II that tells the Intrepid's story during World War II. And we have a few airplanes that actually served from the ship during the Vietnam War. And so missing is the middle part, that Cold War story. We don't have many airplanes that tell the Cold War story, and this just fills that void perfectly. So now we could tell the story of what life was like on ship in the 1960s.